Well, this is Beanhead 383. I'm gonna have to make a short video because of something's going on and stuff. And I have to get ready to go probably to work and stuff. So I'm gonna have to say this. When it's come to performance wise, I'm just gonna say, if I was you guys and stuff, I'm probably gonna have like a oil changing video and something like that, and basically stuff I'll be probably doing and stuff, working on it, installing this radiator stuff too. So I guess hopefully you guys look forward to the video. And part of it, I'm just saying, it's just I'm not trying to be spending like money out of my rear end and stuff, meaning by spend money on this and that, but it's just the radiator and things. I'm gonna point this out. It's kind of important to flush it. It's just long run, I'd say do it like every year when recommended and stuff. But if I was you and you don't do it, it's just I'm not trying to spend so much money on a dead blessed radiator. I spent like $200 on the one I have that I have not had installed yet, so it's gonna be an install video on it and stuff too. But there's probably not gonna be any music to it, and I really don't know how to do that stuff. But hopefully, get you guys out there who like, comment, subscribe, and I'll probably see you guys on, I guess, probably don't have a video uploaded on a Saturday, and hope the video is helpful. And all right, you guys have a nice day and stuff. Follow me on Instagram. It's Beanhead383. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button if you like this video, so I can help me out determine what kind of videos you guys want to see. And when it warms up, it'll probably be some other videos. Alright, you guys have a well day, and peace.